Y'all were here.
It's not a blizzard, Dad.
It is too, look. If that ain't a blizzard, I don't know what is.
You're crazy.
It's snowing sideways. Flakes of snow 4 inches around.
Mom doesn't even have the Christmas tree on. But we got a fire. You turn
A
on.
slow starting fire because all the wood is wet. But it's going.
Did you get a picture?
No, it won't show up.
Why?
Mommy plugged up that Christmas tree. Yeah.
Damn, girl.
Lulu. Lulu. That fire. Dad, you got your fire going.
Successful one.
It's a success.
I didn't even see the red zone. I've only been here for 20 minutes.
Yesterday was like 75 degrees in Texas. I wore shorts and a t-shirt and used my air conditioning. And today it is snowing. Take a look. They're throwing snowballs and building snowmen outside. It's crazy. That's Texas. Lone Star State.